Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to customize left and right swipe gestures to perform various functions in Samsung smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application named as GoodLock, and on the first list you will see the application. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and if this GoodLock application is not available for your respective Samsung smartphone, then just open the Play Store and just search for application name as FindLock, and on the first list you will see the application. Just click on it and you can install this FindLock, which is almost similar to the GoodLock. So you install whichever application is available for you, and after that just open the GoodLock or the FindLock application, whichever you are using. And under the GoodLock you will see here on right bottom live up. Just click on it and just scroll down below, and now you will see here one option written one hand operation plus. So just click on this download option. So finally the download has completed. Now just click on this one hand operation plus. Now just turn it on. So now you can see here particle blue lines are appearing on the left side as well as on the right side of your mobile screen. So now at the bottom you will see your left handle, right handle. So just click on it. So now you can see your straight right means the back key, diagonal up, so you can see the direction also, recent key, diagonal down, back key. So let us try. So if I do a straight right, so like this, so it's a back key. And let us try the second one, diagonal up, that means the direction as you can see on the arrow marking. So let us try like this, so it's a recent key, and diagonal down, that is this direction. So let me try this direction. So it's a back key too. So similarly the right handle is also same, as you can see, back key, diagonal up, recent key, and diagonal down, the back key. So now here you can see one option, long swipe right. Just turn it on. Now you can see here some more options, straight right for the long swipe, quick tools, diagonal up, quick launcher, and diagonal down, touch switcher. So let us check what really shows up. That is a quick tools. So let me try here. So you can see these are quick tools. So diagonal up is a quick launcher. Let us check. So you can see quick launcher, and diagonal down is a touch switcher. So let us try. So you can see touch switcher. So these are the options you're gonna get. Now let us move back, and now below you can see your advanced settings. So here you can change the curve lines, everything. You can choose your arrow markings, arrow 2, arrow 1. So whenever you just swipe, so you can see the arrow marking is different. So let us check the arrow 3, how it looks. So you can see the arrow 3. So I'll just keep it a curve line right now. You can change the color of the curve line also below. So you can customize depending upon your needs here. Fit to keyboard, and there are some options like landscape mode, quick panel, lock screen, and home screen. So you can enable it depending upon your needs here. And there is a gesture settings. So quick actions, you can take different options here, as you can see here. Vibrations is also available here. So I'll just keep it as it is right now. So at the bottom you can change the size, touch wide, how much wide or small you want. You can change the size, position, handle color, as you can see here. So once you are done with the settings, now let us check how it performs. Now you can swipe either from the left side or the right side, whichever side you want to use. So let us check if it really gonna work or not. So you can see here quick tools. So you can see here it's working perfectly. So you can see it's perfectly working here. So by using this cool application known as one hand operation plus, you can easily customize left and right swipe gestures to perform various functions in Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.